Hello guys, for today's cravings, I'm gonna cook pork chao fan. Put olive oil in a preheated pan and add 2 beaten eggs. Then mix it for a few minutes until it's cooked and set aside. Get another pan and heat cooking oil or olive oil. Then saute chopped garlic and onion. Add ground pork and saute on medium to high flame. Add oyster sauce and mix it together with the ground pork. Put soy sauce and black pepper. Sesame seeds. And mix it together. Once the ground pork is cooked and slightly brown in color, add the carrots. Put sesame oil and mix it together. Add rice and mix it thoroughly. Put more oyster sauce and soy sauce according to your taste. Add the scrambled egg and cut it into small pieces. And finally, add the chopped kangkong. You can put more sesame oil and sesame seeds to add more flavor. You can also add spring onion, and this is optional. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching.